Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by setting the scanner to the proper interface and connecting it to the PC. This matters because Excel reads input like keyboard strokes when in HID mode. Once done, make sure the workbook is open and the exact target cell is active so every scan lands where you expect. If your scanner uses a virtual COM port, install the driver and note the COM number. If it's a keyboard wedge, you won't need drivers. Test with a single barcode to verify input. Next, configure Excel to accept and organize incoming scans efficiently so you can process many items quickly. You'll set the column format to match barcode data, text for alphanumeric, number for pure digits, and adjust Excel behavior so enter or tab moves focus where you want. If you need automation, create a short macro that pastes the value, inserts a timestamp, and moves the cursor. This saves time on repetitive tasks. Once configured, do a sequence of 5-10 test scans to confirm flow and formatting. To finish, lock your template and keep only the input column editable so users don't alter formulas, then save a backup. If something goes wrong, first confirm Excel has focus and the cursor is in the input cell. Next, verify scanner mode, COM port or HID setting, and matching baud rates for serial units. Restart Excel or reconnect the scanner if behavior persists. One key tip: switch the scanner to HID keyboard mode for the simplest, most reliable Excel entry if you encounter communication problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.